Alright, well this is the dispute for, what's it called? For Black Ops 2 against Freaks of Nature. We were supposed to play, replay third map because they beat us first map, then they forfeited second map. And then the admin told us to play third map. Well, I have them added, and this is proof just in case they don't end up showing up or messaging me back about, third map. I'll go ahead and send them a message. Taking proof of it just in case they don't end up showing up, so you guys have proof. Alright, but we have to play. This is the leader of their team, by the way, Bambi Slays. Send a message. See right there, Baby Slays. We have to play third map. Send a message, but yeah, this is just in case they don't end up messaging me back. I have proof. Alright, well.